Gotta go through all the training and stuff. That's Marines.
What can you tell me?
Nice.
How was that?
It is what it is.
Brandon, where are you going? We're going to go to the house.
Outhouse.
Why? We're having fun, bro.
Alright, peace out.
Brandon, you be good, young man. What I don't give a shit, you can call yourself whatever you want to call yourself. What's your name? Well, it's better being called late for dinner.
So what are you doing for the rest of the night?
Go home,
Smoke some weed.
chill, radio. Just be a good old boy. Stay away from damn police.
The police.
All them motherfuckers. I got to fight with them.
The police.
Right down at the library, 22nd.
What they say?
Well, a guy, he comes up on me. Security guy comes up on me and starts
He was
rousing me.
cute.
Shut up, let me say what I'm saying. Comes up on my ass and I was sitting eating a salted nut roll. You can't eat a salted nut roll here. That's against the law. I go, what? I said, you gotta be out your goddamn mind, boy. So he started giving me a hard time. Yeah, I fucking slapped him in his face. And then he called the damn police.
The what?
Police.
You mean the police?
Yeah. And he sent 3 of them over there.
Did you get arrested?
He handcuffed me, kicked me out of the ground, beat me up a little bit.
Why didn't you report that? That's against the law. I can't do that. This is my favorite song.
Well, it doesn't
Do you want
matter.
to sing this song with me?
I don't give a fuck who sings this song. I was trying to tell you something, young man. People they're like Nazi goose steppers. Evil people, man. Could you imagine being married to one of them motherfuckers? And the worst part of it is, get out to a note account, it's even worse out there. I don't know if you guys ever experienced or had any problems out there, but
Whoa. Dude, what's that? Damn.
What?
Dude, damn.
What?
No, never mind.
What was it, bro?
I'm just trying to.
so what the hell you asked me what the hell? I don't remember what the hell you all were. You ain't burglarizing cars.
We're gonna go home and smoke 2 blunts.
I can't smoke, that's different.
I like the feeling. And plus, I have epilepsy.
You're not gonna like them?
Epilepsy.
When was you epileptic?
Yup, that's correct.
Oh, shut up. Fuck with me, man. Tell you what, I'm old enough to be your grandpa, man. You sit there and talk shit.
How old are you?
29.
You can't be 29.
How do you know? I just told you how old I am.
But listen. You can be 29 because
Outpatient. I thought that was you saying that.
you got you fucked up. I thought that was
Patient, you know, outpatient. That's it.
No, listen,
I like talking.
This dude just drank
My dad-
fucking like a fucking
No, you listen to
bottle
me,
of
man.
fucking cough syrup.
No.
He was like, I'm gonna leave,
He goes,
but
my name is Bruce.
he's just turned up as fuck right now.
Always listen to me. You're good. Eat your vitamins and say your prayers.
you've never had sex before.
I fuck more money you could ever use. Fuck.
I have to. I have to keep living, right?
My boy, you beat your
I
real
have to hear
meat.
my family.
I'm gonna go home and beat my meat.
I was back,
Boy, go home and beat your meat.
but
That's what period will do.
yeah. Right.
These are afraid. You got fucking.
Sorry, 36.
He called us Mexican.